everybody, how's it going? So we got another small, quick guess what's in the box video. It's a tiny little bag. I got it from eBay. It is for the Pioneer Mavic 8200 NEX stereo navigation system. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is a item that I got from eBay. Basically bought everything I could find for the Mavic 8200 NEX navigation stereo system that I had bought, that I bid on. This is one of those items for that stereo. You guys let me know what you think it is. I need to put this one back in the SR5 2004 runner. I already have the brackets and everything installed on this same unit. I have it in a box in the living room, which is right here on top of the box that needs to go into the back of the 4Runner. So here is the new unit. It's the same exact stereo. I got brand new wire harnesses and everything, which you guys will see all of this stuff before this video because I have done videos on every single one of these items. This item up here that we have right here is, I believe, one of the last items that I had purchased for the stereo. It helps you control the stereo. So, you know, you guys let me know what you think it is. Is it the remote? Is it a wire harness that physically allows you to hook up steering wheel control? What do you think it is? This little bag is 7 inches long by 5 3/4 inch wide, and it is 1.5 inches in depth. Just a quick, short video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. As always, leave me your guys' guesses down below. I find that these videos, these guess what's in the bag and box videos, are kind of fun for me. I liked doing them when COVID started, but they've become more of something that I kind of like doing, you know, because it passes a little bit of time. Since my truck accident, I've been doing a lot of these videos. It's just kind of passing time, keeping my mind off the pain, my back pain and my neck pain, and allows me to get up and do something. I haven't been able to take any service calls for the last several weeks, almost 3.5 weeks now. Taking muscle relaxers, that kind of helps. Pain pills are just, you know, Advil, Aleve, you know, stuff like that. But I do appreciate you guys. You know, I understand that some of you guys don't like these videos, and I understand. You guys can just wait for the unboxing and the item to be revealed. You don't have to watch these videos if you don't want to. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that have showed support throughout the years for the channel, as well as, you know, since I got in my truck accident. It's very much appreciated. But on that note, I want to say thank you to all of you guys for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I do also have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. That is all I got for you guys today. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace!